YouTube sent me an email that I have a copyright claim on one of my videos and I cannot monetize it. If I had not sorted this out, I'll be losing $214 on this video. Let me show you how to do this. Do you have a copyright claim on your YouTube video? Then you need to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can easily sort this out. I have a couple of these and I was leaving money on the table by not sorting it out. It makes a video ineligible for monetization, and you don't want to work so hard, create a video, and at the end someone else claims it. The money goes to someone else. You can easily sort it out with these steps. But before we go to my computer, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Cynthia. I share information about how to grow your YouTube, monetize it. If you're interested in any of these, then subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be amongst the first people to see that video. Don't worry, let's just go to my computer so I can show you the back end of my YouTube, and let's sort this out. In this email from YouTube, it says that the visibility of my video will not be impacted, but I can no longer monetize it. And the copyright owner is now either monetizing it or receiving analytics about it. So this is some AI system that the YouTube puts in to be able to detect any part that is copyrighted. And you can see it's music. Note that the video is a reaction video. So while she spoke, there was music in the background. So I don't have the right to use the music on the background. According to YouTube, I can either edit out the segment by trimming, muting, or replacing the copyrighted content with the YouTube video editor. The second option is to submit a dispute to the content owner. I know I don't have the right to use that music, so I don't have any rights. It's not even an option. They can give me a copyright strike because of that. Then the last one is to re-upload the video. If you can remove the copyrighted content with your own tools. Re-uploading the video means I'll lose the views I've already generated on that video. So I clicked on view all actions and then went to my studio and clicked on the particular video. I clicked on review issues. Now the next page shows erase song. So I clicked on erase song. That's the best option for me. I want to remove the song, but I don't want the lady's speech to be removed. So it says erase song, remove the claimed song in all detected segments while keeping other sounds such as speech, and that's perfect for me. So I just clicked on erase song. Now, after clicking on this, it takes a while for it to be processed. You can see what it looks like here. It's saying video editing in progress. So it takes a while for it to be effected, but you will not lose your previous views. You will get monetized all the way through. Previously, I used to leave it like that. I used to leave my videos and not get monetized because I'm wondering maybe I'm going to do the wrong thing. But I didn't know it was so easy to sort this out. Guys, it's so easy. Just do it. You can see what it looks like when you've done it and you're still waiting. It keeps saying checking until it sorts it out. Sometimes it takes half a day. Sometimes it takes a few hours. When you play it back, you will see that the speech of the lady will be there, but the music has gone. Please share your experiences in the comment box. Has this worked out for you? Are there other tools you use, and was it very efficient? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've benefited a lot from it. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.